All in this video we will see about some of the naming conventions in Python. So we will see how to name a variable, okay, and then how to name a function name, okay, and then also we will talk about how to name a class. So we will talk about these three things in this video. So the first thing, understand that when you are creating a variable, the variable names are case sensitive. For example, name is equal to way to know. Okay, so now if you see, this name is different from this name where n is a capital letter. So now these two are two different variables as per Python. Okay, so Python variable naming especially is case sensitive. So remember that. And then second thing, function name. And before going to the function name, example, some of the variable names, like example, you can name them this way. My name, way to know. If you see here, this is another convention of naming a variable. You can name using mixed of capital as well as lowercase letters. Okay, so this is also another convention we can follow. So there is no hard and fast rule with respect to variables. The only thing we have to remember is that it is case sensitive. And second thing, about the functions. So when we are naming a function, let us assume we are creating a function, my underscore details of. Okay, if you see here, we actually name this function name in all small letters. So this is the convention which need to be followed. So name all your function names with lowercase letters. So this is one important point with respect to function name. Okay, and then class name. So when you are creating a class, okay, you will have something like this, right? The class of details. Let us assume we have something called details. Okay, if you see here, we have named the first letter of the class name with a capital letter. So this is one convention which need to be followed for uh, defining a class. Okay, so variable names, function name, class, and all three are discussed here. The naming conventions have been discussed. Please post if you have any questions. But for the others to identify and make your code more readable, follow these instructions. And there are special style guides that are being published by various guys, and also in the Python website you can go through them and follow these conventions for good readability of the code.